Need to start receiving messages from a blocked contact again? Don't worry, it only takes a few taps. In this guide, I'll show you how to unblock messages on your Android phone using the Google Messages app. Start by opening the Google Messages applications. This is the default messaging app on many Android phones, including Google Pixel and several other brands. Once the app is open, tap your profile picture or the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. A small menu will appear with several options related to your account and message settings. From the list, select Spam and Blocked. This section stores conversations that have been identified as spam along with contacts you've manually blocked in the past. Scroll through the blocked conversations until you find the contact you want to unblock. Tap on their conversation to open it. Now select the Unblock option. If your phone asks for confirmation, simply tap Unblock again to complete the process. The contact is now removed from your blocked list and can send you text messages normally. After unblocking, it's a good idea to ask the person to send you a new message. Messages sent while the contact was blocked cannot be recovered, but all future messages should arrive without any issues. If you're still not receiving texts, check that your mobile signal is active, airplane mode is turned off, and Google Messages is set as your default messaging app. Everything is set. You can now receive messages from the unblocked contact. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.